So can I just establish one fact, which is hindi niyo siya kilala before. You did not know him before until okay. So you have no idea about his background, how long he allegedly worked for Zaldico, and all of that.
Well, yung work for Zaldico, medyo alam ko dahil binanggit niya.
Hindi. I mean,
before you met him.
Oh, before you met him.
Oh, no. Okay. Actually, Reggie, yung Secretary Donald and the Ed, nagulat ka ako kasi may kaibigan tayo sa media na dating nasa Senate beat. Siya pa yung nagsabi sa akin, alam mo, kilala namin niya si Sergeant Orly kasi nagtrabaho din siya sa Senado. Because nasa nandun sila sa VIP, he was assigned somehow dun sa mga VIP security. So marami din siya talagang pinagtrabahuan. But all in a professional level. Ang sabi lang niya sa akin when we were discussing, right after he retired, nagtrabaho siya sa Coke, and then after that kay Saldi na.
Sir,